What's up guys, welcome to Science and Knowledge. This is Shehbaz and here is the fresh news about the Honor's latest flagship model. In the footsteps of Huawei Mate 20, the first official images of Honor V30 known as Vera30 appeared on the network. A month ago, Honor confirmed that its next flagship V-series phone will be called Honor V30. At that time, it was reported that Honor Vera30 will be the first smartphone of the brand that will support 5th generation mobile communications. Another feature of the Honor V30 will be a screen with a picture refresh rate of 90 Hz. In addition to the fact that the smartphone will be built on the basis of the Kirin 990 single chip system. Now we have the official images of Honor V30 which show the device with a square block of the main camera, including 4 image sensors. The device resembles the Huawei Mate 20, only the LED flash is located below the camera. Smartphone Honor Vera30 will receive the EMUI graphical shell based on Android 10 operating system, but will not have Google applications installed out of the box, as well as Huawei Mate 30 flagship line. There is no other information about the technical characteristics of the Honor Vera30 yet. For more updates, please stay tuned. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, peace out.